Hi everyone, would you like to make a cake like this? Then watch this video and I'll show you how. Yum. So here are ingredients. We've got eggs, we've got cocoa powder, golden caster sugar, self-raising flour, unsalted butter and a little drop of whole milk. And for the icing we've got unsalted butter, icing sugar and chocolate. Here is our mixer, first time in use. Wow. In we go with 175 grams of unsalted butter, 175 grams of golden caster sugar, at this stage, when your sugar and butter has turned a sort of a lightish colour, then we're ready to add the eggs, slowly, one at a time. Here I have 100 grams of self-raising flour. You might think that's a funny colour. I mixed with it 50 grams of cocoa powder. Put this through a sieve, make it a bit more fluffy and get some air into it. Now I'm going to gradually add this. Now so at this point, just to loosen it up a bit, I can add about 4 tablespoons of whole milk. Yeah, that's about 4. We've got to get it so that it'll drip off of here on its own, and then you've got about the right consistency. That's that done. Now we can move on to our next step. Here I have the baking tin that I'm going to use. It's one of these little ones that unclips. Quite easy to get your cake out when it's finished then. I've greased the inside. That don't sound good, does it? Greased. It's not grease, I've used butter. And a little bit of baking parchment in the bottom there, all to help it stop sticking. So I can fill it up now. Try to get it as evenly as you can on the top, but don't worry too much because as soon as it goes in the oven and it starts to warm up, it will loosen up and it will find its own level. We set our oven to gas mark 5. When your oven's reached the proper temperature, pop your cake in, middle shelf, leave it in there quite happily for about 45 minutes and then you can check it to see how it's getting on. Now for our cake icing or cake covering, whichever you want to call it, we're going to need these 3 things. We're going to need unsalted butter, 200 grams, chocolate, you can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate, 100 grams, icing sugar, 400 grams. We're going to start by melting this down in a microwave or over hot water in a basin. We can start by creaming together the butter and the icing sugar. You can see I've cut this up a bit and it's at room temperature. It's really soft. Then in with the icing sugar. I've sifted this by the way. Make sure there's not any lumps in it. We can cream this together. Now, so at this point I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, like so. Now we can add our chocolate. It's at 1 minute and 15 seconds in our microwave on full power, and it's nice and liquid so that can go in. There we are, ready to spread. Now we can start with the fun part. Everybody enjoys this. And just to finish off, I'm going to grate some really dark chocolate over the top with a cheese grater. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. There's plenty more videos to come, so keep watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye.